ready to go. Like, I can't believe I just did a 15-minute face. So today I'm actually going to be doing a challenge. If you click this title, then you already know what that challenge is. That is a 15-minute makeup challenge. This is a challenge for me. It might not be a challenge for some of you at home, but I can't get my makeup done in 15 minutes. It's just not gonna happen. My brows alone take about 10. As you can see, I don't have any brows or anything on, so let's just start a timer. So if you want to see me probably make a fool out of myself, then just keep on watching. Just want to put in just some kind of product on my brow because my brows take me the longest, so I feel like that's where I should start. As you can see, I don't really have much brows. Bless my mother's heart, she naturally doesn't have any brows, so she did not bless me in that department in the womb, you know. But it's okay because I know how to finesse. I didn't even tell you guys what this is. My bad, sis. This is the Clinique Super Fine Liner for Brows. I try to be very light-handed with this one because she is very red, but I feel like she would go well with this haircut. Okay, so I'm at 13 minutes now. Take my spoolie brush, brush that out, just buff. Blending is the key to everything. I'm gonna take some brow gel. This is my Chanel brow gel. Any brow gel will do. Just to give some definition and hold to the brows. I'm at 12 minutes. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can come in clutch under pressure because the pressure is freaking on. I'm still on my brows. Y'all see this? Y'all thought I was playing? Like, no, my brows take me the most work because there's nothing there. I'm gonna need a drink after this. If this was my morning routine and I only had 15 minutes to get my makeup done every day, I would die. Oh gosh, now I'm at freaking 10 minutes. Jesus. That's it for the brows. I'm done. I'm done. They look somewhat decent, right? I hope so. And then I'm gonna go in with my concealer using my Chanel concealer in shade 30. Is like all over the place. And I'm going to take my Luxie Beauty 660 Precision Foundation brush and buff all of that. Less than 10 minutes. I don't know if I can do it, you guys. I feel like as an artist, you just naturally want to take your time, so to be rushed to do something is way out of the norm. Next, I'm going to take some Fenty setting powder, set those areas. We clearly don't have time to bake today. There we go. My OCD is kicking in because I'm still trying to like keep a clean station while in the midst of doing all of this. So I'm gonna take my Chanel retractable foundation brush and I'm gonna go in with my powder foundation just to blend everything and bring back some color and evenness in my complexion. Using my powder foundation, I feel like if I'm pressed for time, powder is definitely gonna be the way to go, simply because nobody has time to freaking blend in liquid. You guys, I have 7 freaking minutes left. I think I can do this. Like, and she might still be a look. That's good enough, right? Because we got 6 minutes now. Next, I'm going to spray my face with some rose water. If you watch my live, then you know I have to go in layers. I am going to go in with my Chanel. Am I going to use that one? Yeah, I'm going to use my Chanel bronzer in shade medium deep. Oh my god, so I don't know where I stopped recording at. However, I have 4 minutes left and I am just going back over my Chanel bronzer with this Fenty Beauty In the Sun Sunstalker bronzer. Just add her on top. I'm not going to do any contouring today, just light bronze, and I'm less than 4 minutes now. Great. I want to go in with my little Z Palette blushers right here. And I'm just going to take, oh gosh, I can get it right. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to mix the two. They are by Chanel. A little bit on my nose. That is enough of that. Buff, buff, buff. Now I'm going to take my mascara. No, now I'm going to take some rose water. Highlight, highlight. I actually want to try this one. I'm going to try the Artist Couture for the first time. This came in my BoxyCharm box. This is in this shade Summer Haze. My TEAIRA Cosmetics brush. And whoa. That is intense, you guys. I wasn't expecting that. I can't leave the house without a freaking highlight, so this step is mandatory. That's enough highlight because I don't want to get too crazy because I see that this can go left real quick. Add some mascara to complete the look because I have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Y'all, I did that. I am so proud of myself. I didn't know I could do this. Like a whole 15-minute look. Who is she? I mean, she's not how she normally is, but she's definitely like a look. Oh shoot, I don't have any lips on either. Okay, 30 freaking seconds. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Jante Blue lip liner. This is in the shade Brown Sugar. Okay, 15 seconds. That's that. And a little Fenty gloss. 5 seconds. My alarm just went off, and yeah, this is the completed look. Okay, I kind of did that. Like, she came together. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. The whole purpose of this video is just to show you guys that, you know, you don't need to do every single step that I do on a normal basis. However, it is to show you that, you know, if you have, I guess, like a little bit of time, like it can be done. Like, you can pull off a look in 15 minutes. I'm quite shocked myself because I didn't think that I could actually pull off a 15-minute look. I don't think I did that bad though. I'm ready to go. Like, I can't believe I just did a 15-minute face. If you enjoyed it, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. I mean, you made it to the end of this video. Like, you might as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Bye.